The Wesley is a new development located at 251 West 91st Street on the Upper West Side. This building captured my imagination with a rooftop pool with panoramic city views. I had to go see it. It is a 20-story building with 52 residences. They range in size from 2 to 5 bedrooms, and prices are about $3 to $6 million right now. There is a stunning 5-bedroom home with a private terrace currently listed for $13.5 million. There is also a full suite of amenities, including a stunning attended lobby with a very dramatic staircase and beautiful chandelier. You will also find a gym, and it is pet-friendly. Now, this building won't be ready for a few more months, but get in now, and you could be there by the time it's ready to go swimming again.